Good afternoon, students. Now, in this session, we will see what are the tools which are used for the CAD and CAM process. Okay, let us start our session and let us see what are the tools and how many types of tools are there, and for which tool we are using. All these can be note from this session. Okay, now let us start. First of all, see here. Definition of CAD tools based on their implementation in a design environment. Okay, now in this slide what we are seeing means how we are using these CAD tools based on their implementation in a design environment. How we are using these CAD tools in CAD software by which are used to design the perfect object in the CAD software. Okay, what are the tools and what are the types of tools, how many types are there, which tools are used for the which purpose, everything will be learned here. Okay, now let us see. Design tools plus computer. This total process is known as CAD software. Okay, design tools plus computer. This whole process means here we are involving the computer and the design tools as the main part in the CAD software. This whole CAD software is divided into two types. What are those? Not CAD software, CAD tools. CAD tools are divided into two types. Mainly, first one is the hardware and second one is the software. As all of you know, hardware means what? Which we can touch or which we can see visibly. Okay, if we see a computer, it means we can touch their CPU, this mouse, etc. All we can see by our eyes, visual. Okay, software means we can't see those. Those are known as softwares, and which are used for the designing purpose only as a CAD software. Okay, hardware means what will come means control unit and display terminals means monitor, etc. These all are display terminals and input and output devices. Okay, there are so many input and output devices. Let us see one by one. Okay, after that software. On coming to the software, what I had told to you, different softwares are developing day by day to improve the design and quality of the product. For the purpose of the manufacturer, very easily to manufacture any object without any risk. Okay, uh, this software means here we are using graphics in CAD software. Okay, modeling and application programs. These are the main topics in CAD software. Okay, this whole come under the CAD tools. Okay, simply we can write like this. Now let us see what are the CAD tools whole in a geometrical form. Okay, in a pie diagram. Now let us see these CAD tools involves mainly three types. First one is the design tools which are used to design. Okay, after that computer graphics concept. What I had told to you, this is the first part of our unit and this graphics part is the second part, and after that we will go through the geometric modeling in second unit. These all are come under the CAD software. Okay. Now, let us see one by one. CAD tools required to support the design process. Okay, what are the types of CAD tools which are used to support the design process are? Here, see one by one. This is the design phase. What are the CAD tools required to design that phase? Okay, in designing also so many phases are there. Not only we are designing directly the object step by step, we are developing the uh, design of the object according to the requirement of the customer. Okay, one by one let us see. First one is the design conceptualization. As I already told you, conceptualization means what? The total design and the what are the requirements of the object, and what are the limits, means what is the size and where we want to change that shape and size of the object. Those all whole concept can be visualized in this design conceptualization. Okay, this design conceptualization having some techniques. Let us see what are those. These are geometric modeling techniques. Okay, by using this geometric modeling techniques, what we do means, first the basic part of the model of the object we can develop by using this geometric modeling technique. Okay, after that we will add graphics aids, means we will turn that geometric model, means it is a 2D only. Graphics, if we add some graphics to that, means it will turn into 3D and etc. Okay, these are the development in the model of the object. After that, manipulations mean what? If we want to change some dimensions or any changes, means manipulations means changes. Okay, any requirements if we missed, means we will develop the model of the object by using by developing those manipulations. And visualization, after completion of the total object, we will turn that into 3D and check in every direction. 3D means what we are getting, x, y, z, in 3 dimensions, in 3 axes. We will observe the object clarifyly and we will develop that one. Okay. Sorry. Now let us see next one, design modeling and simulation. Okay, design modeling and simulation means here we are modeling an object and we will go through the different types of we will apply some, if we want, let us see, if we are presenting this topic only, any ppt means what we will do first, we will make the topic of the every topic and we will produce like this. Afterwards what we do, we will change these colors, this box means the shape of the box according to the size. Okay, if you want this table, means what we do, this topic want means this is having high space, this is small words, that's why we are keeping less one. After that what we are doing, we will changing the color of the each object, like that only. In the total conceptualization is considered, means after that what we will do means design modeling and simulation. Simulation means we are adding extra activities to that object by applying same as above. Let us see here, animation, assemblies, special modeling packages. Okay, we will add these all and improve the design and the performance of the object in CAD software. There only we can observe everything about that object claritily. Okay, if we have means okay, let us see here. If we apply any animations to this slide, means what animations means, it will come in upward direction or sideways, left, right, split action. Those all are animations for the presentation. Like that only, here we are having some animation techniques to the CAD software also. Those all are come under the CAD tools only. Okay, I think you can understand now claritily. Now let us go to the next one. Design analysis. Analysis means, as you all of you know, we will apply the loads and developer stresses will be observed here. These can have analysis packages. Okay, customized programs and packages. These all will come under the analysis part. After that analysis, what we go through the design optimization. Optimization means customized applications and structural optimization. As I already told you, optimization means what? We will improve. We will improve the total quality of the object according to the customer requirements. Okay. Next one is the design evaluation. Design evaluation means we are changing the observing the total performance of the object. What is the dimensioning, tolerances, BOM, NC, etc. All these come under the evaluation part. Okay. Design, communication and documentation. This is the final part. What we do in this communication and documentation means we will go through the customer requirement clarity and we will call to him, and communication is happened between the customer requirement and our manufacturing design, and we will send that in the form of a documentation form. Okay, in the documentation form by using the CAD software, and that object will be sent to the customer, and any modifications are there means we will go through it later, and after that only CAM manufacturing process will start. Okay, here the required tools are drafting and detailing. Drafting means CAD software only. Everything will be go through in this. These are the main CAD tools required to support that design process. Okay. Now let us see what is the definition of CAM tools based on their implementation in a manufacturing environment. After the design process, manufacturing it will come into. Okay, here let us see manufacturing tools plus computer. Okay, manufacturing tools plus computer will give CAM, manufacturing process. Okay, here in for example, we will keep in mind only CNC machines, how they will operate in the industries. That only you will keep in mind. Then you can understand very easily. Manufacturing tools plus computer. In this, what they will come is hardware, software, and networking. Okay, these three are the main parts in the manufacturing process. In hardware, as I already told you, control unit, display terminals, input and output devices will come. And in the software, software means what we do, we are uploading this whole process in the CNC machine. How? There also we are using computer and uploading that in the computer by using those software, and after the manufacturing process, according to that software, it will run the object manufacturing. Okay, that's those softwares are here: CAD, NC, MRP, CAPP. Okay, next one is the networking. Networking means it is a separate topic, we will learn later. Okay, this is the main topics in the CAM. These all will come under the CAM tools. Okay, what I had told to you, this can be shown in the pie chart. Okay, CAM tools. CAM tools is the combination of networking concepts, manufacturing tools, and the CAD software. Okay. Now let us see CAM tools required to support the design process. This is the manufacturing phase. In every phase what is happening, let us see, and required CAM tools. First one is the process planning. As I already told you, process planning means we are planning how the object want to manufacture from the starting stage to ending stage. That whole process come under the process planning. The required tools are CAPP techniques, means computer aided process planning techniques, and cost analysis, material and tooling specification. These all will come under the process planning. Means here in CAD software, what we are getting only the design, how we want to manufacture and what is what, that only we will get in the CAD software. But on coming to the CAM, what we want to do, first of all we want to know which technique will suit that part to manufacture. After that, cost analysis, how much cost each object is having. Every industry will see to manufacture an object with less cost as possible. Okay, so that's why they will see cost analysis also. What are the for each part of the object, how much cost is required, and how much after the manufacturing, how we want to send to the customer for our profit purpose. All these cost analysis are analyzed, and after that what are the material and tooling specification means what are the materials required to manufacture that object, and tooling means what are the tools to manufacture that to remove the unwanted materials, or after manufacturing what are the tools required. If they have those tools means they will stop there only, otherwise they want to buy new tools for to manufacture that product. All these can be planned here, that is known as process planning. First phase is the process planning. After that what will come? Part programming. Part programming means which parts will manufacture in which machines. Those all can be programmed here by using NC programming. Okay. Next one is the inspection. After the manufacturing, what we do? We will go through the inspection. Okay, means quality control action. CAQ and inspection software. By using these softwares, we will inspect each object carefully, and afterwards we will go through the assembly process by using robotic simulation and programming. By using these programming methods, we will go through the assembly process, and afterwards the product will be manufactured. Now let us see the combination of CAD CAM tools based on the implementation in an engineering environment. Okay, design and manufacturing tools. The combination of design means CAD and manufacturing tools plus computer. In these both design and manufacturing tools require a computer to manufacture an object. The combination of these two come under CAD CAM tools. Okay, these two processes requires hardware, software and networking process. Okay, this all the combination is known as CAD CAM tools. In pie chart, if they ask means what are the CAD CAM tools based on their constituents, you want to display this pie chart simply. They can understand easily. Okay, CAD CAM tools means manufacturing tools, networking, computer graphics concepts, geometric modeling and the design tools. Okay, these all will come under the CAD CAM tools. Now, let us see how we are using CAD CAM software in industries. Okay, CAD and CAM is concerned with application of computers to various departments, starting from design office to production department. Okay, what are these? What is meant by this one? How we are using this CAD and CAM by using with the applications of computers to various departments, starting from design office to production. Okay, starting to ending, to machine shops and assembly shops to inspection and quality control departments. Okay, as I already told you, these are the different stages in every industry. Okay, right through to the finished part store. Okay, now let us see how we are using all these. First one, in industrial environment, CAD/CAM technology is used extensively due to their powerful multifunctional capabilities. Okay, here we are using the CAD and CAM technology in every industrial environment, because this CAD and CAM tools means without the manpower we are developing the each object. Means with manpower only means first of all we will develop the only design part only. After that just we are uploading that one to the manufacturing process by using a computer only. Okay, without the manpower means by manufacturing process we are reducing the labor cost. Just we are checking whether the part is manufacturing correctly or not. Automatically the process will run that one, and we will manufacture different shapes and different sizes of the objects based on the type of industry, and they will manufacture number of products and number of models automatically by these CAD CAM softwares. Okay, the use of computer in industrial environment increases accuracy of the product and reduces the operating cost and time, wastage of materials, effort of human skills, etc. Human skills means here we are reducing the manpower. Okay. With the use of computer, what are increasing? Here we are increasing the accuracy of the product. With the manpower means, if we involve a man means, he will definitely do some mistakes, small or anyone. To reduce those mistakes, to improve the accuracy of the product, here we are using a computer and reduces the operating cost and time. By reducing the labor cost, automatically first investment of the machines will involve high cost only. After that we don't require any other labor or anything. That's why single time investment only here. That's why we are reducing the operating cost and the time. Okay, no wastage of materials also. Okay, effort of human skills, etc. These all will be reduced. The use of computers in industrial environment is mainly classified into three groups. Let us see one by one. Okay, these computers in industrial environment mainly classified into three groups. Those are pre-processing support applications. Pre-processing means what? We are just planning the what are the requirements and how we want to manufacture that one. Everything will be come under the pre-processing support. After that, monitoring and control. How we want to manufacture that, everything will be controlled by us only. After that, post-processing support applications. Post processing means assembling, removing the object, assembling process, everything will be come under the post processing support applications. Okay, this is the typical utilization of CAD CAM systems in an industrial environment. As I already discussed this whole process before only. This is the main diagram of the industrial environment. If they ask question means what is the utilization of CAD CAM systems in an industrial environment, if they, this is the important topic. This is the important flow chart. As you all of you see, this is the design part. Okay, from this we can get the documentation of the object, and afterwards it's go to the manufacturing process. This is the manufacturing. Already I had told to you this whole individually, not in the combination form, in the designing part like this, and afterwards I had said to you like an manufacturing process separately, but this is the combination flow chart. That's why you want to learn carefully and want to write like this only. Okay, this is the geometric modeling and graphics package, this box. Okay, this one is the programming package. Like this, different packages it is having. Okay, CAPP means process planning. Okay, process planning package, and network analysis. Okay, network connections, everything will be this is the this whole programming is come under the some package. Okay, afterwards it go to the inspection and assembly process. This is one package. By combining all these packages only, CAD CAM systems developed. Okay, all of you learn carefully this one. Afterwards, how in which industries we are using this CAD software means, first one is the automotive industry, aerospace and aircraft industry, textile industry, medical industry, video gaming industry, tool and die manufacturing industry, welding and cutting industry. Okay, these are the different types of industries where we use CAD CAM software. Now let us see what is the evaluation criteria. I will discuss this briefly in next session. Now let us see what are the only basics of the evaluation criteria. CAD CAM system evaluation criteria. First one is the system considerations, means hardware, software, maintenance, vendor supports and services will come into the system considerations. Okay, after that geometric modeling capabilities. Capabilities means what are the requirements for the geometric modeling capable. Okay, first one is in geometric modeling what are come means representation techniques. After that coordinated systems inputs, modeling entities, geometric editing and manipulation, graphic standard support. These all will come under the second unit ma. In second unit briefly we can discuss everything each part. Okay. Thank you students.